Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Yeah, welcome to Programming Pro. We are here to see about sets in Python. So we are here to see about set in Python. Yeah. If you see set in Python will give you a distinct elements. As we all know, the behavior of sets in Python is gives you a distinct elements. Though we have a duplicate elements in the set, so it will give you the distinct elements. So our agenda is to see today how we can combine the two sets, and how we will find the difference between the two sets, and what are the different methods other than the difference and adding between the two sets. We will see about, we will explore, and how we can convert a set into a frozen set, and how we will declare an empty set. Especially empty set, we will concentrate on the empty set. Right, coming into the business, here if you see, we have completed the first step. Here we have declared a set, and we have trying to print the set, which will give you an output of distinct elements. So though we have multiple elements here, we have a distinct elements here. Whereas now moving to the second point, we are trying to add a value to the existing set, so that is 100, and again we are trying to print that. So here we can add the value as the set, as in the list we have added the value, we can add in the set also. Right, so let us see. I have one more method, that is a pop a dot pop. So if you see like if I say a dot pop, so what will happen? Save it and we'll execute the program. So it has popped the first element here. So let us consider the pop again. Dot pop. The mouse. Okay. Yes. So we have popped twice. So 1 and 2 will be removed from the set. Yeah. So if you observe here, I ran twice here. So 1 and 2 has been removed. So for the first element. So if I want to remove, what if I want to remove a specific element from a set? So a dot remove of let us consider we will remove 6. Okay. So a dot remove, and what we will do is we will remove and then we will print the set again. Print the set again. Yeah. If you observe here, so 1 and 2 has been gone and 6 has been removed. So the set is 3, 4, 5, 100. Yes. Now the third point, so difference between the two sets. So let us consider we will have another set. So it will have 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So how we will find out a difference between this set? So let us declare a C a dot difference. So if you press a control space, it will give you the methods. So now C holds the difference between A and B. So if you observe here and print the C and observe here, yes, what is the difference? Is after removing you will get 3, 4, 5, 100. So a difference between A and B. So what is 100? So it is matching. So how A is different from B? So this 3, 4, 5 has been matching with the 3, 4, 5 of this A. And what is the difference? 100 is the difference. So the difference of A from B. Okay. We are not seeing A B from A. So let us see the B from A also. So we have B dot difference of control space A. So what should be our output here now? So let's see. So, yeah, we observe here. Now the matching elements has been removed and the identical elements in B has been printed here. So let us consider one more method. D A dot union of B. Let's go and print D here. What will happen to the this is a union. This is a combination of A and B. This is a combination of A and B. So here we have some more differences. So now let us do the same example of a difference with the different format A and B. So what will happen to this C? You see? Yes, it is giving the behavior of a difference. So what is the difference between A and B? The same way we have a operator. So then how about A union B? We have OR, right? Anything in A and B. So say C, print of C. Union is nothing but anything. Yeah, the same. So the one and the same. The union is OR, the difference is AND. So we have seen the different methods now. Now we will go to a frozen set. So how we will declare a frozen set is the question. So let us consider C is equal to frozen set of. So let us consider a set 3.4, 5.7, 4.9. So we have the repetitive elements of plus 6, comma. So now we have the repetitive elements here. So let us print. See, so what is meant by frozen set? A set which cannot be modified. A set which cannot be modified. So what it is giving you? Yeah. A dot add of, we'll try to add a value to the frozen set. So if you see here, the name itself says so set has been frozen. So the set has been freeze, so that you can't do any further modification in the present set. So when we try to add a value to the existing frozen set, it will throw you an error called attribute error. So when we will get an attribute error, when we are trying to add a value, like when we are trying to use the existing methods on the frozen set. So we can remember this attribute error. And the final one of the class. So how to declare a empty set? So let us consider C is equal to, so how we will declare a set? This is a curly braces. So let us print the type of C build, type of C. What should we get? We should get as a class set. Okay, as we are getting a frozen set error, so we will remove the frozen part. You can comment the code using multi-line comments. Let's get triple quotes. Yeah, we comment. Right. So now we'll try to print the value of c here. No, it's given you a dictionary now here. So then by default the curly braces, you say to Python, the interpreter considers it as a dictionary. Now what we need to do, so how we'll declare a set? So we declare a set c as a empty set. So print c. Now if we print a type of c, so we need to go for a print type of c. Yes, now we got a type of. So the final one, what we like, let us consider I want to make a set, empty set, clear the set. So we can print b in final. So what is the print b? Yeah, so b value is input. So what we are going to do is b dot c. So we have some methods here. So if you observe here, these methods will tell you what they can do. There are a lot of methods, a lot of functions. We call it as functions in Python. So so even we can find the size of the set, I think. Yeah. So we can find a symmetric distance also between the two sets. So that is not important to us. So we say here if it's available is the first point. If not, we will see in the next class. Yeah. So it is not print up. It is working. Yes. If you observe here, the empty set has been printed. The empty set has been printed. So now if you observe here how to make a set empty. So from this class we have understood how to add two sets. Yes, we have added two sets, and how to add a value to the two sets, and difference between the two sets, and the different methods like union, and with operators of same or same of difference and union. We have seen with operators how we can do, and we have seen the frozen set here, and we have tried to add the value to the existing frozen set. And after that we have seen the empty set declaration. So by default the curly braces declaration to Python will be considered as a dictionary. Dictionary will discuss in next class. Whereas if you see here the set, if we want to use the set function, and we can empty the set using there. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel.